In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for seller on Dhgate. If you've ever found a product you love and wished you could see everything that seller offers, this guide will walk you through the simplest way to do exactly that. We'll keep it straightforward so you can follow along on either the website or the mobile app. Start by going to dhgate.com in your browser or opening the Dhgate app on your phone or tablet. The experience is similar on both. It's a good idea to make sure your app is up to date, so the buttons and layout look like what you're seeing here. Next, sign in to your Dhgate account. While you can browse without signing in, being logged in helps keep your browsing history and favorites in one place, and it ensures that when you find a seller you like, you can return to their store easily later. Now go to the search bar at the top of the page or the top of the app. Type the name of the product you're interested in, like wireless earbuds or travel backpack. Keep your keywords clear and simple. That usually returns better results. Then press search. You'll see a list of products that match what you typed. From the results, open any product listing that catches your eye. Choose one with clear photos, a description that seems complete, and ideally some reviews. Clicking into the listing is the key to finding the seller, because the seller information is always shown inside the product page. Once you're inside the product listing, look for the seller or store name. On the website, you'll typically find it near the product title or on the right side under the price and shipping details. In the app, it's usually below the main product images. Tap or click the seller or store name. You'll be taken directly to the seller's store page. This is where you can view everything they offer in one place. You can scroll through their full catalog, browse categories within the store, and often see store-level ratings, follower counts, and how long they've been active. If you like the style, pricing, or quality indicators from the product you started with, this page lets you explore related items from the same seller without having to repeat your search. That's all there is to it. Go to Dhgate, sign in, search for a product, open a listing, click the seller name, and you're on the seller's store page where you can browse all their products.